What's up, Hippie fam? It's Mike back at it, and today we're gonna start a brand new series called Riding the Wake, where we're gonna cover all the Wake County mountain biking trails. And today we start out with my favorite, San Lee. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it because there's a lot more that San Lee has to offer than just mountain biking trails. So let's go ahead and dive into this. So as you can see here, this is the start of the mountain bike trails. Right now we are up in the upper parking lot, which features the start of the single track, which will take you up to the gravity park as well that way. And then over here you've got another single track entrance right here, and then you've got the pump track over here, and of course additional parking. And then right back behind these woods right here, there's tent camping sites, and they have showers and bathrooms that you can use. Here's the pump track. This pump track is actually mad cool, always freshly groomed. I'm pretty sure these are all maintained by Back to Dirt Conservatory. And what's really cool is that you guys can just have a shred sesh right here. Just chill here, you know? Chill here, rest out, watch your homies just shred the pump track. And you guys can do little time trials and stuff. So here's the campground. As you can see right there is the parking lot where my car's at. But if you go up here, you got the bathhouse, and then you've got your standard tent camping sites, which is actually mad cool. So you come here, you got shower and bathhouses. I think it's like $15 a night. You stay here, you got your camping pads. Not sure if they allow fires, but it looks like they do have a little fire pit in that one. So that's pretty dope. There's quite a number of campsites up here. All right, so we're back in the mountain biking parking lot, and we're gonna start right here, right on the easy course, as it takes you right down, and then we'll head over to the main single track. What's so great about this trail is that there's switchbacks, and there's some pretty steep descents with along as some punchy climbs, and it's just pure epicness. But yeah, we've got everything. Like I said, you got the gravity park, so you get the best of both worlds. You get some nice mountain-like trails along with some downhill. Over a river. So that was their easy single track for beginners. My opinion, that's not really for first-time riders. That's for basically, I guess, people that have ridden and got the fundamentals of mountain biking down. But now we head over to the main entrance to the main single track. These signs and everything are pretty sweet, but this used to be dirt. And ooh, that's a buzzard. And this is one of San Lee's great gems, is the lake. It's peaceful. There's a lot of aquatic life around here. It's nice. So yeah, right here was like a little wedding chapel thing, and now it's just picnic tables in a chill area. But they've got a lot of renovations going on, so you can see all the lumber. Oh, they're replacing the railings on the bridge. So if you want to cut out early, you can't. You're forced to basically ride the whole single track at this point. All right, so now we're on the single track. Let's get to it. So as I was saying, there's a lot of flowy sections. Oh, and jumps. There should be another flowy section if I'm right. But this is what's so great. Oh, and new lips on it. Look, you can see the lips. Oh, tight bermy corners. And this is what I was talking about, really windy. All right, and so here's the gravity park. I'm at the base of all the trails right now because they're not open today, so not supposed to be in this area because I guess they're doing some trail work, which Back to Dirt Conservatory is amazing at keeping these trails in perfect riding condition. Lips are always perfect, berms are always perfect, rock gardens are always perfect. It's just perfect, man. It's nice to have a gravity park in your backyard. But when you get down here, you end up getting, again, you know, the rules and all that stuff. And then it tells you which way to the parking lot, which way to return trail. And you basically go all the way up here. And it is a pedal up gravity park. So it's very favorable by e-bikers and stuff. And as you can see, there's people coming down it right now from single track. But I think there's roughly around 5 trails that go through here. They're not supposed to be on there, but that's not my business. All ranging from easy to double black diamond difficult. I never did the biggest one, which is over here. You can see there's like big gap jumps and stuff like that. I think that would be pretty epic to give a shot. But I'm pretty curious as to why they're doing laps. When I went there, all the chains were up, but maybe they just opened it or something. I just don't know. Maybe I'll go take a ride up and see if the chains are down. But that's the gravity park. I would love to be able to show the top. I have shown it in previous videos. In conclusion, this park is for everybody. This is a family park. You've got a playground for the kids. You've got a lake for fishing. You've got mountain bike trails and hiking trails. Just got bit by a mosquito. I didn't put any repellent on. And you've also got gravity park here for the downhill people, single track for trail riders and cross countryers. You've got a little lobby like convention thing where like they do summer camps and stuff, and they also do summer camps for mountain biking too. That's absolutely epic. They have camping, they have it all. This is literally, it's like a mini Pisgah. If you ever been to Pisgah Forest, you go camping there, you go mountain biking, you go to the state parks and the city parks around that area, and it's just a dream. This is like my mini Pisgah in the backyard. And if you're planning on visiting the Wake County area, even though this is Lee County, this isn't really Wake County, but I'm trying to do all the mountain biking trails in the area. Hit this one up if you are a mountain biking family. You guys will love it. They keep this place in tip-top shape, and like, you can donate to Back to Dirt Conservatory. They're the people that come out here and they build these trails. You can also come out on trail work days. But that's San Lee for you guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. This is just episode 1 of many episodes. There are so many trails around here that I'm going to be hitting up and showing you guys. Stay tuned for more. Peace.